Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this. This is a cabin filter. So if you have a Tesla Model Y or 3, I have a Y. So this is what it comes with here for everything. You got 2 filters. So I'll show you guys what these filters look like here. If I can open the plastic. There we go. Okay. So this is what the filter's like. So these are good premium ones. It comes with the little screw driver thing. If you have the Tesla, it uses this. So you pull out the little clips on the under the dash, pull those down, take out the carpet, unscrew the area with this, and then you put these in. So they kind of go in one on top of another. There's 2 of them, and it's got the little strap, so it'll make it easier to pull out. But these are nice. They're activated carbon, tells you which side to face it too, which is good. So these are, it's not just some cheap one there. I can see a little bit through there. I can see the little carbon pieces in there. If I shake it, if I shake it here, this is where my microphone is, you can probably hear that. And then it's got the foam around the outside to make it a good seal. So you'll have 1 and 2 of them in there, and it'll be the filter. So hopefully up in one of these corners here, I'm showing you me installing it. But that's what these are, and it's good. It also comes with a little pry tool to pull out those little clips that are in there. So, I mean, I can replace these because I've done it. I've had my car for like 4 years, and you have to do it almost every 6 months to get that smell. I've done it 7 or 8 times or something, so I've done it a lot. But I love it. Thumbs up.